This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Safari. So Apple Safari, I'm just right here on, this is kind of the main introductory page for Safari. You can get more information here. Here's the URL, apple.com/Safari. All of the links I discuss in this video, I will of course include them in the video description, so you can just click on that link and wind up there. So first way that we can get Safari. So first option, this is the Apple App Store. You can download Safari on the iPhone, on the iPad, the Mac, the Apple Watch and the Apple TV. So that is the URL there. You can just click that in the video description and wind up here, so you can get it on any device. So you can get Safari here for any of your Apple products. So if you don't already have Safari installed, you can install it here for any of your devices. If you've accidentally deleted it, for instance, you can reinstall from there. So hopefully you found this video on how to download Safari useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.